At the commencement of the day's trial, the judge, Justice Binta Iyako, was surprised to see Nnamdi Kanu on the same clothes. But the prosecution counsel, Shuaibu Labaran, told the court that Kanu was the one that chose to wear his designer's Fendi clothes, that the order to provide Kanu with new orthopedic mattress, pillows, and blankets was obeyed, that Kanu chose to wear the same clothes because he said that it is designers. Responding, Kanu's counsel, Mike Ozekome, SAN, told the court that as at the time the proceedings ended Tuesday, and because it was not his visiting day, they were not able to pass to him some of the clothes they purchased. Thereafter, the 15 fresh reasonable felony amended charges were read to Kanu. He pleaded not guilty to all the allegations. He also observed that some of the amended charges are the same. After taking his plea, the prosecution counsel, Labaran, told the court that he is ready to proceed with the trial, adding that he brought 2 witnesses to testify against the defendants. But Kanu's counsel, Ozekome, told the court that he has filed a 43-page preliminary objection for the charge to be quashed and struck out without the matter proceeding to trial. In a short ruling, Justice Binta Iyako said since Kanu's first application is challenging the propriety of his trial and competence of the charges against him, the court ought to hear it first. She adjourned the matter till February 16 to hear the pending applications. Counsel briefs press after the adjournment.
The plea has been taken and the prosecution is ready to go on. All our gadgets they are ready, all our witnesses are already in court, but we are ambushed by an application for bail and indeed another application seeking to quash the charge this morning, which borders on the jurisdiction of the court. And the court, in its usual magnanimity, acceded to the fact that those applications need to be taken before we proceed.
We were able to generate about 34 grounds for the application. We believe that by the grace of God, by the time the judge calmly, dispassionately examines the step-by-step destruction of these counts, then, like I submitted in court, she will go to the next stage, which is to grant us our prayer too. And our prayer too is that there being no valid legal counts in the charge to defend, she should dismiss all of them and set free, that is discharge and acquit Mazi Nnamdi Kanu of any offenses.
Meanwhile, High Court in Umuahia, Abia State, has dismissed the charges against Kanu and ordered the federal government to pay him 1 billion naira as damages. Joseph Kadri, ITV News, Abuja.